Welcome to this video. My name is John Esh. In this video you're going to learn how to connect your Facebook pixel to your website. So first and foremost, we are going to click on our business that we're going to select our ad account from. So we are selecting this business, and then once we get to this page, all you have to do is to click on your event manager. Okay, so once you click on the event manager is where you create your pixels. So we click on the event manager, and then let me show you how to create a pixel. Now I've created some pixels in the past for different subdomains in my website. For this one, we're just going to create a new one so that you're going to learn exactly how to do this on your own. Now you click on this plus icon, connect data sources, that plus icon there. Then you click on connect data sources, click on it, and then it will open a window. You select web, you select on web. Now you click on get started. Now you select the Facebook pixel there, select Facebook pixel, and then you click on connect. Now it asks you to input a name. You can choose any name you want just to recognize this particular pixel, and then you insert your website. In this case, the website I'm using is Digital Marketing Plug, my website. So let me just type it. Now you click on continue. Okay, now this is very easy to do. Okay, I'm showing you the easy part. They have the hard way and the easy way. So this is the easy way. Now you don't need to do anything here. Let me just show you the shortcut that ordinarily you'd use the integration if you want to give a developer, but let me show you a shortcut which you do it. Now you go to your website, the back end of your website, that is your dashboard of your WordPress website. You have to log in first. Now if you don't know how to log in, you could just tell your developer to show you. Every WordPress website always have this /WP admin. It's just by saying your website /WP -admin for you to get to where you can log in. Okay, so for most developers, they usually change is different, but for a lot of WordPress websites, it's usually WP admin, and then you can get to the login section of the website. Okay, this is where you now put in your username and your password, and then log into your back end of your website. Okay, now for this one, let me just log in. Now we are in my dashboard. Now this is the back end of my website, of my WordPress website. Now what you need to do next is to go over to plugins and click on add new. Click on add new. Now the plugin we're going to install is called Pixel Caffeine. Okay, so what you do is to go over to the search bar and type Pixel Caffeine. Now you just wait for it to load. It's taking a little bit of time. Okay, now we have the Pixel Caffeine here. Alright, now what you're going to see in your own case, you're going to see install now. Okay, mine, I've already installed it, that's why it's not telling me to install now. So just like all these other things here, it's going to show install now. So you click on install now, and then after it has installed, it will tell you to activate. The button will change to activate, so you click on activate. So for me, I'm just going to update mine now because I've installed it already. So once you've done that, the Pixel Caffeine will display at the bottom of the page. Okay, so you just scroll down, you just refresh your page, you refresh the dashboard, and then go down the page. You're going to see just like how it's showing in mine, Pixel Caffeine. Now you're going to click on Pixel Caffeine and let it load. We're going to the Pixel Caffeine aspect of the dashboard to set up to connect our Facebook account, our Facebook business account. So you click on Facebook Connect, and then it's going to open a window where you just prompt Facebook to connect your business account to the Pixel Caffeine. So you input your email and your password, and then it connects, and then it will take you to this, it will bring you back to this page where you now select your ad account. Now that it's connected to your page, it will select another account. Now the reason why it didn't show me that that page is because my Facebook is already connected to this browser, so that's why it's not actually prompting me to connect all over again. Okay, so in your case it's going to connect, but right now you're just going to click on, once yours have connected, you're just going to click on add account. You click on your ad account and select your ad account. You select your ad account, and for me, I have a lot of businesses here, so you just select the one. Let's select digital marketing plug. That's the one I used in creating a pixel just now, and then it will populate it with all your pixels. For me, I have a lot of pixels on digital marketing plug. Don't ask me why. So we're going to select the one we created just now. So once you select it, and we'll click on apply and let it load, and that's all you need to do for your website to connect a pixel. Okay, so now what we're going to do now, we're going to test the pixel. So you go to test event, go back to Facebook under the test DMP that we created, go over to test event and insert the URL of your website and click on open website. Now in this case, mine is digitalmarketingplug.com. I'm just going to type it and then click on open website. So now what that Facebook page will do, it will begin to detect activity on this website. Now let's go back to the Facebook test event area. Okay, let's go back to the test events area. You could see these triggers. It's telling you that somebody is visiting your website right now as we speak. So anytime the person clicks on different pages, it's going to alert you, like giving you notice that okay, there's activity in your website. Now for any visits, it tracks, Facebook tracks it for any visit at all, so it tracks it. If the person visits any page, Facebook tracks it like that. So that's how you connect a pixel that you can use to retarget people that have visited your website. Now what we can do with this pixel is to regenerate an audience that have visited your website and then re-advertise to them. We call it retargeting. Retarget them with adverts so that they will be more, because they'll be more receptive to your adverts since they know you, since they have visited your website, since they know your brand. They will be more receptive than someone who just seen your brand for the first time. So that is how to connect your Facebook pixel to your website. So if you have any questions, you can send me a DM, and thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.